Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now, today we're going to be doing another shop rescue, this time for a shop called Me Delicacies.
So, the shop owner contacted us. They just started this store in March, and they say that any tips would be appreciated. So, we're going to go in and see what we can help them with.
Now, our first reaction to the shop is that it's pretty cute. You know, it's a shop that has a lot of really yummy looking things, lots of desserts, there's some blondies, there's some oatmeal bars.
Then they have skincare related items like lip balms, natural lip balms, and body butters, which are yummy for the skin.
And we do see that people have been interacting quite a bit with the products as well. You know, the cookies and cream blondie, 4 people have it in their basket. 3 people have the oatmeal bar in their basket. So people do like the items. But
there's also 63 admirers. So, you know, people are interacting a lot with the products, which is a very good sign.
It is. That's so true. Lots of admirers. And the funny thing is, just like the shop that we recently reviewed, they have very little products, well under 100 products. They only have 8. So that was something that really stood out to us. Whenever people talk about their sales and their lack of sales and they wonder why, one of the first things we look at is how many products do you have?
Yeah, you really want to take up space as an Etsy store, because those are the amount of chances that you get to be seen. So just like in the last video that we had mentioned, where we had mentioned the amount of sellers versus, you know, the amount of products that you have, like there are 2 million sellers, just to keep in mind. They all have a lot of products. Try to have a lot of products. I know it might be a little harder with baked goods and with certain things and stuff like that, but like try your best to keep that inventory growing.
Not only are people interacting with these products, they're putting them in their basket, but they're not making those purchases. And so we have a theory on why that might be. We think that they need a push. They need something that's going to push them to finally, you know, go to checkout and you know, make that final purchase. Perhaps you need to put something on sale. You need to maybe give them a reason. Maybe a timed sale, so a sale that's only going to last a single day, or a sale that's going to last like a couple of days. You can even, you know, pair some things together and make little bundles that are like, you know, only available for 1 or 2 days, something like that.
That's true. So sometimes the something else that can push people to buy is if you create a scarcity kind of situation, like you have with the matcha white chocolate bars. You say the seller has put the quantity as only 3 being left. That's obviously not the case for the cookies and cream blondies or the oatmeal bar chocolate oatmeal bars, because it would have said so as well. So it does help sometimes to, you know, just try it out. If you put like only 1 available, only 1 left, it might make somebody of those, you know, 4 people that have the cookies and cream blondies in their baskets, it might make one of them be like, okay, I want to be the person to get this product. So
exactly,
yeah,
commit to that purchase. So definitely take those into consideration. We really hope that these helped you. One final thing we want to do is actually compare this shop to another shop that might be selling similar things, just to make sure it's a good niche that you've hit. So we did find a shop that is selling similar items. This shop is selling brownies. The only difference is that they're keto/low carb brownies, and they're best sellers. So clearly, our store owner has hit on a good niche. Over 20 people have this particular product in their basket right now too. And you can see from the reviews that they're selling.
Something that our shop owner might want to pay attention to is trending diets and food trends and stuff like that. Keto is very big right now, so that might be something that you want to get into if you ever want to try any keto recipes, because obviously that's something that people are looking for.
Definitely. And one more thing is that we did notice that our original store owner one more thing is that we noticed that our original store owner, Yours Truly Me Delicacies, doesn't actually have products that are available for shipping to Canada. So if we were interested, for example, to buy something, we wouldn't be able to. Whereas the other shop that we found, they actually sell mixes, so they're able to ship them worldwide. So our shop owner might want to offer different methods of transporting her products worldwide so that she can get those sales from other countries.
Just a suggestion.
That's all we have for this shop for now. We really hope that the shop owner is able to take some of this information, utilize it, and see if it does help to increase her sales. And if so, please send us an update. We want to know how your shop does in the next few months, because we know that it can just blow up and just be amazing. It has the potential. It is there. Your pictures are beautiful. People love your products. You just need more. And you just need other options for people to be able to receive them in different countries. So maybe offering like mixes and stuff like that. And
a sale or two wouldn't hurt.
Exactly.
Everything's on sale.
Sales to just finally get them to commit to purchase. So we do hope that this helped you. You're doing an awesome job so far. And we hope that this helped anyone who's struggling and in the same situation. Thanks so much for watching.
We'll see you next time. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned because we might be reviewing your shop. So
exactly. And check out the links in the description below. We do have our blog. We share so much more information about making money online, passive income, doing well on Etsy. So definitely subscribe to our mailing list as well. And we'll see you soon. Take care.